12 amazing gardening tips from Grandpa. Companion planting. Companion planting is like giving your plants helpful friends. Some plants grow better when placed next to certain others. For example, planting basil next to tomatoes doesn't just look nice, it actually helps. Basil can improve the flavor of tomatoes and may even repel pests like aphids and whiteflies. Another classic pair is carrots and onions. Onions deter carrot flies, while carrots help loosen the soil for onions. Marigolds are great companions, too, because their strong scent keeps harmful insects away. When done right, companion planting can boost plant growth, save space, and reduce the need for chemical pesticides. It's also a smart way to use your garden space efficiently. Simply research which plants pair well together and arrange your garden so they can benefit each other. Nature has its own teamwork system. You just need to put it to use. Mulching. Mulch is like a cozy blanket for your plants. It's a layer of material spread over the soil, and it offers several benefits. First, it helps retain moisture by slowing down evaporation, so you don't have to water as often. Second, mulch keeps weeds from popping up by blocking sunlight. Third, it helps regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cool in summer and warm in winter. You can use different materials for mulch: shredded leaves, straw, wood chips, grass clippings, or even newspaper. Spread a 2 to 3 inch layer around your plants, but leave a little space around stems to prevent rot. As organic mulch breaks down, it also adds nutrients to the soil, improving its structure. It's an effortless way to protect your plants, save time, and keep your garden looking tidy. DIY plant labels. Keeping track of what you planted is super easy with homemade plant labels. Instead of buying fancy ones, reuse items you already have at home. Old spoons, popsicle sticks, broken pieces of terracotta pots, or even plastic forks work perfectly. Just write the plant name on them using a waterproof marker. For metal spoons, you can even engrave or use stickers. Stick them in the soil next to your plants, so you'll always know which seedling is which. This is especially helpful when planting seeds or multiple varieties of the same plant. Plus, it's a fun and eco-friendly way to recycle everyday items, saving money and reducing waste. You can even get creative. Paint the sticks or spoons to add a splash of color to your garden. Composting. Composting turns kitchen scraps and yard waste into rich, dark soil your plants will love. Start by setting up a compost bin or pile in a shady spot. Add greens like fruit and vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and grass clippings, which are high in nitrogen. Balance these with browns like dry leaves, cardboard, and twigs, which provide carbon. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods. They attract pests. Keep the pile slightly moist and turn it every few weeks to help it break down faster. Over time, these materials decompose into nutrient-packed compost, often called black gold. Add it to your garden beds to enrich the soil, improve drainage, and encourage healthy plant growth. It's a fantastic, eco-friendly way to recycle waste and reduce your garbage output. Watering with coffee. Got leftover coffee? Don't pour it down the drain. Dilute it with water, about 1 part coffee to 3 parts water, and use it to water acid-loving plants like azaleas, hydrangeas, camellias, and blueberries. The acidity of coffee lowers the soil pH, creating the perfect conditions for these plants to thrive. Coffee also contains small amounts of nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, giving plants a mild nutrient boost. Make sure the coffee is plain, no sugar or cream. Overdoing it can make the soil too acidic, so limit coffee watering to once every couple of weeks. It's a great way to repurpose leftover coffee and keep your plants happy. Use a tension rod. Running out of space in your garden shed? Install a tension rod between 2 walls or posts. It's a simple, no-drill solution for organizing your tools. Hang spray bottles, gloves, or small hand tools using hooks or clips. You can also hang baskets to store seed packets, twine, or other small items. This hack keeps everything off the floor and easy to grab, helping you stay organized without taking up valuable space. DIY seed starters. Why buy seed starter trays when you can make your own from toilet paper rolls? Cut each roll in half, fold one end to create a base, and fill it with potting soil. Plant your seeds in water as usual. Once the seedlings are strong enough, plant the entire roll directly into the soil. The cardboard decomposes naturally. It's an eco-friendly, cost-effective way to start seeds indoors while recycling household waste. Save water with a rain barrel. Collecting rainwater is a fantastic way to conserve water and reduce your utility bill. Set up a rain barrel beneath your home's gutter downspout to catch runoff during rainy days. Use this free, chemical-free water to hydrate your garden, lawn, or potted plants. It's especially helpful during droughts or watering restrictions. Always cover your barrel to prevent mosquitoes from breeding, and use a screen to filter out debris. Simple, sustainable, and smart. Start seeds indoors. Starting seeds indoors gives your plants a head start, especially if you live in a cooler climate or have a short growing season. Use small containers like egg cartons, seed trays, or recycled yogurt cups. Fill them with potting soil, plant your seeds, and place them in a warm, sunny spot, like a windowsill. Keep the soil moist but not soaked. This method protects young seedlings from harsh outdoor weather and pests. Once they're strong enough and the danger of frost has passed, transplant them into your garden. You'll get healthier plants and a longer growing season. Use a garden journal. Keeping a garden journal may seem old-fashioned, but it's one of the smartest gardening habits. Write down planting dates, seed types, weather patterns, pest problems, and harvest times. Over time, you'll notice patterns, like which crops thrived and which struggled. It helps you plan crop rotation, track when to fertilize, and remember which plants worked best in certain spots. It's also fun to look back and see your garden's progress year after year. Plant in raised beds. Raised beds are like mini gardens with many benefits. They improve drainage, making it harder for plants to get waterlogged. They also allow you to control soil quality. Fill them with rich, fertile soil free of weeds. Raised beds warm up faster in spring, extending your growing season. Plus, they make gardening easier on your back since you don't have to bend as much. Build them using wood, bricks, or even old recycled materials. Your plants will thank you. Use a hose with a spray nozzle. A spray nozzle attached to your garden hose gives you better control over watering. You can adjust the water pressure and spray pattern. Gentle mist for delicate seedlings, stronger streams for larger plants. This prevents overwatering and soil erosion. It's also a big water saver since you can stop and start water flow easily. A simple tool, but a game changer for efficient, plant-friendly watering. Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your support and hope you found the content helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing videos. See you next time.